Hello students. Today we are going to do chapter number 8, Carts and Wheels. My name is Pinkle Thakkar. Let us start. Hey, see how big this wheel is. I have never seen a wheel like this. Now see, there are so many wheels you can see in the photo itself. Among them one is the wheel yellow color, which is the bigger one, biggest of all the wheels. You must have seen many round things around you. List some more in your notebook. Now, what are the other round things? You can say glass, plate, cup, saucer, and many such things. Round bangles. Have you ever gone to a bangle shop? See, all the girls have definitely visited the bangle shop. Not sure about the boys, but girls know what their bangle size is. I cannot wear these bangles. These are too small. Now the girl, she's in the bangle shop. She's trying to wear different bangles. You can see in the photo she's saying that this bangle is not of my size. Guess which of these bangle is of your size. Now see, there are 3 sizes given to you: green, orange and blue. You have to guess which is your size. Here I have guessed as medium. Next, take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. Can your teacher wear this bangle? Okay, if you make a bangle of your size, can your teacher, that is me or any other, wear? No, the sizes are different. A bangle can be used to trace a circle. What are the other things around you that you can use to trace a circle? Okay, see, bangle is round. So we have to think of such things which are round in shape. Example, coin, glass, dish, club, clock and many more. Now, there is an activity. Trace a circle with the help of some of this in your notebook or on the ground. Which things makes the smallest circle and which makes the biggest? You have to mark that. Games with circle. Children are playing some games. Game 1 and game 2. Now see, you can see in the photo itself, there are 2 games, Ringa Ringa Roses and Golden Handkerchief. Both these games, these children are playing. Do you play these games? Yes, we have played these games in our school. Now what is it that these games are showing you? That they are being played in circle, that is round. Which song do you play when you play this game? Okay, what song? Ringa Ringa Roses. Play these games in your school. Why do we make a circle in each of these games? Can anybody tell me? Because these games are played in circle as they give equal chance to each and every student. That is why this type of games are played in a circle. What if a rectangle was made? Discuss. See, if the rectangles are made, we all know that all the 4 corners are very far from the center. So, such games when played in rectangle doesn't give equal chance to each and every child. Now, next, think of some other games you play by making circles. See, there are lots of games. 2 we already have in our textbooks. Rest is Kho-Kho and passing the parcel. This game also you play in circle. Now, making a circle. Till now we studied about things of circle. Now we are going to study how to make circle. Naina, Chippo and Ariba wants to play a game. They want to make a big circle on the ground, but they cannot make it by tracing. So Ariba tries to draw a circle with a stick. Now see, you can see in the photo itself only that they are trying to make a circle, but since it is on the ground, so you cannot trace with any object. So next, Chippu and Naina, it does not look like circle at all. They are telling Ariba that this is not like a circle. So she got angry. What did she say? Ariba, okay, why don't both of you try? Chippu and Naina both make circles on the ground. Now see in the third photo you can see that they are making circles on the ground. Now guess from the photo itself. First question. Is any of these a good drawing of a circle? No. None of them have made a perfect circle. Can you draw a circle on the floor with a chalk? Yes, definitely we can try. Same thing we can do in our notebook also. Making a circle with a rope. Now see, this is something that ancient people do. Ariba decided to use a nail and a thread to make a circle on the ground. These two girls have decided to make what? Circle on the ground. You can see in the picture itself only that they are drawing a circle. She took a thin rope and tied nails on both ends of the rope. Then she made a circle with the help of her friend. Look at the picture and see how they are making the circle. You also make a circle with a rope and nail like Ariba. Yes, definitely you can try this with many things in your house. You can take a stick, tie a rope on one end and chalk on other, and you can try to draw. Do this activity in small groups. Each group should take a rope of different length. See the circles made by different group. This activity can be done by all the students. Make group with your friends. Take different circles and take different measurement and try to make circles. Okay. Now our next topic is the most important topic, radius. The length of a rope used is equal to the length of radius of the circle. It means that what length you are using over here in the photo, this center point to the circle, that is called the radius. You can see over here also 2 points. So this is called radius. From center to any point on circle is the measurement of the radius. Draw the radius of this bangle using a ruler. Measure the length of the radius. Now take a scale. From center, try to measure. Draw a line from center to any point on circle. Measure it. Here I get 1.5 centimeter. Now see what your friends have drawn. Discuss the length of radius they measured. Is it the same as yours? Since our textbook is same, so our measurement will be same. Now further also they have given us circles. We have to find the radius. Now guess which circle has the longer radius. Here I have measured, see both the radius. Again from the center to any point on circle, draw a line. Same way in blue and green both the circles. My green circle is of 1 centimeter. My blue circle is of 1.5 centimeter. Now, which has the longer radius? So definitely blue has the longer radius. I have written the length of both the radius. Radius of green is 1 and radius of blue is 1.5. Find out. Measure the radius of wheel of a bicycle or a bullock cart. You can use a thread or measuring tape. You can see again, you can have a measuring tape or a thread, and you can measure from center to any point of your wheel or a bullock cart wheel, big or small. Are all the wheels of bicycle or a bullock cart of same radius? No. Cycles have small wheels, bullock cart have big wheels. Have you seen a tractor or a road roller? Definitely we have seen tractors. Road roller are found in places where different constructions are done. Which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? I have not seen, that is why I have written no. If you have seen, you can write any. Are all wheels of tractor or road roller of the same radius? No, they are never same. Lali and Kali are tied to a pole with rope. Kali has a longer rope. Who can look for more grass to eat? See in the picture we can see that Kali has a longer rope. So definitely she can go for more grass. Daljit's design. Daljit had made this design using a compass. What is a compass? You can see in the photo that the boy is using compass over here, a rounder. His sister came and started making more designs with him. Now, her sister also made a design. You can see so many circles just like a rangoli pattern. Do you want to make such designs? Definitely. We would like to make a design. To make such design, you need to use a compass. That is, use your compass and make designs in circle. Now, using a compass, how do you hold a compass? Let us learn that. Using a compass, have you ever seen a compass before? How will you use this to make a circle? You can see in the photo, there is a compass on your right side. Over here, this is a compass. Open your compass, press the tip of the compass on the paper. Hold the compass from the top. As do you see the girl, the center is the tip of the compass, that is the pointer. Now without moving the tip, you have to move around your other side, that is the one which has pencil. Did you get a circle? Yes. Now when you mark the center, for that you have to mark where the tip was there. So look for the mark where you had kept the tip of the compass. This mark is the center of your circle. Is this circle better than the one you made earlier without a compass? Draw the radius of the circle and measure it. Now see, before what did we use? We used a nail and a thread, and now we are using the rounder. Definitely the compass or a rounder is more comfortable and easy. Now you can make your own design like Daljit had made. How many did you make? See, we have learned how to use the rounder. So now we can make as many designs as we want to. Guess how this design has been made. Use a compass to make the similar one. Take a rounder, make a circle and make the design that is shown to you as I have done over here. Is it a circle? Now the girl is trying to draw a circle. Naina was making a circle. Ravi asked for an eraser. She kept her compass and gave him the eraser. Then she started again to complete her circle. But she got this. Now see, what did the mistake you can see in the second photo? That she has changed her pointer by mistake. Because of that, she is not getting a perfect circle. So, next question. Why did Naina get such a drawing? Discuss. Because her center changed. Can a circle have more than one center? No. Another day, Naina was using a compass to make a circle. But it came out like this. Now, if your rounder is not proper, then also the circle is not perfect. So did any one of you ever get a shape like Naina? Many of them, because if your rounder is not good, your circle is not good. So see what happened with Naina. Oh, the screw of the compass is loose. Let me tighten it. Now my compass will not slip. So see, there are two reasons why your circle would not be perfect. One is your center is changed or your rounder is not proper. Find the center. Sadiq and Samina want to make circles for themselves. I will make a circle with compass is what Sadiq says, and Samina says no, I will make it with a bangle. Now see in the photo, both of them are drawing. Then they cut their circles. Then what happened? In a paper they draw the circle and they have cut out the shape of circle. Now see what Sadiq wants to say. See, my children, has a center. But where is your center of your circle? So Samina say, don't worry. See how I find it. Now she folded her circle into half. You can see in the photo. They have shown how to fold it. Then she folded again into another half. Now when you open it, see, you can see the plus sign in between. Yes, this plus sign where they meet is the center of the circle. So see, the Samina is explaining. Can you see the two creased lines crossing each other? Sadiq says yes. See, I put a point where these lines cross meet. This is the center of my circle. Now see, you can do the same thing. You can make a circle and cut it out and find the center. That is also a good activity you can do. Now, the design we have already seen on page number 88. Same design, but you have to complete the circle. See, I have completed the circle. You also have to do the same. Now, balancing act, very important. Take a plate and try to balance it on your one finger from corners and from center. What will you find out? That if you find a perfect center, the plate will hold. Spin the top. Now there are 4 children. Zakir, Appu, Naina and Guddo were getting bored. It was raining, so they could not go out to play. Suddenly Appu says, let each make a top. They took a piece of cardboard, traced a circle on it. Then they made a hole and put a matchstick in it. You can see all of them are cutting out the circles and putting the matchstick on the center. Now everybody was excited to spin their tops, which look like this. Now there are 4 tops, blue, green, red and yellow. Now see, in the blue top, the stick is at the corner. The black color line is your matchstick. In the green one, the stick is at the center. Again in the red one, the stick is in the corner. And in the yellow one, the stick is near to the center. So on that we have few questions. Let us do. Whose top will not spin at all? To see, Zakir and Naina, they don't have their sticks at the center. So their top will not spin. Whose top will spin a little? That is Guddo. Why? Because it is near to the center. Whose top will spin the best? Among all, Appu, because it is perfectly at the center. In whose top is the stick nearest to the center? I have said before only, in Guddo's top. Last, make your own top. Now, make your own top using a cardboard. To make the top spin well, where will you make the hole? Definitely. Now we have understood from the chapter that center is important. So, from the center. Thank you everyone.